Introducing the Geryon Vacuum Sealer Machine, your new kitchen ally in preserving the freshness and flavor of your favorite foods. With its innovative features and user-friendly design, this automatic food sealer is here to revolutionize your cooking and meal preparation. Say goodbye to food spoilage, freezer burn, and unnecessary waste, and say hello to a more economical, convenient, and efficient way of keeping your food fresh and delicious. Preserve your food with ease, no more worrying about food spoilage and freezer burn. The Geryon vacuum sealer removes air from specially designed bags, creating a multi-layer heat seal that keeps air out and ensures your food stays fresh for longer. With reduced spoilage and food waste, you'll not only save money but also contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly kitchen. 2 sealing modes for versatility. Designed with 2 selectable modes, the Geryon vacuum food sealer allows you to tailor the preservation process to different types of food. Whether you're sealing delicate snacks or hearty rolls, this versatile sealer ensures the best possible preservation for all your culinary delights. Easy to clean separated design. Cleaning has never been easier and safer. The upper lid of the Geryon sealer machine is detachable, allowing you to clean it with utmost convenience. Its compact size and lightweight design make storage and mobility a breeze, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. User-friendly operation. The Geryon vacuum sealer is designed with fully automatic vacuum sealing operation. The soft-touch digital buttons and LED indicator lights provide a user-friendly experience. Simply plug in the machine, and you're ready to go. It's that simple, fully equipped starter kit. We believe in providing our customers with the best value, which is why our starter kit includes everything you need to kickstart your food preservation journey. The package comes with an air suction hose, 5 heat seal bags, 1 roll, and a user manual. With Geryon, you'll have everything you need to preserve your favorite foods with ease. Invest in the Geryon vacuum sealer machine today and unlock a new level of freshness and convenience in your kitchen. No more food waste, no more compromises on flavor. From now on, you'll have the power to enjoy your favorite dishes at their best whenever you desire.